Question 1. What is a system of collection of corneas or eyeballs from cadaveric or brain-dead persons? Option A. Eye banking. Option B. Staffing. Option C. Eye retrieval. Option D. Eye training. The correct answer is A. Eye banking. Explanation. Eye banking is the organized system responsible for the harvesting, processing, and storage of corneal tissue from deceased donors. This infrastructure is critical for facilitating corneal transplantation and restoring vision to patients with corneal blindness. Question 2. What initiative offers a good opportunity to develop a comprehensive eye care program with strong commitments at all levels? Option A. Vision 2020. Option B. District Blindness Control Society. Option C. Low Vision. Option D. State Ophthalmic Cell. The correct answer is A. Vision 2020. Explanation. Vision 2020, the Right to Sight, is a global initiative by the WHO and IPB to eliminate avoidable blindness. It provides a strategic framework for developing comprehensive eye care systems and human resources at every level of healthcare. Question 3. Which of the following is an objective of the National Program for Control of Blindness in India? 1. Extension of eye care services. 2. Establishment of an apex. Option A. Only 1. Option B. Both 1 and 2. Option C. Neither 1 nor 2. Option D. Only 2. The correct answer is B. Both 1 and 2. Explanation. The National Program for Control of Blindness aims to extend eye care services to peripheral, underserved areas and establish apex centers of excellence. These objectives ensure a robust infrastructure that covers both primary screening and advanced tertiary care.
Preparing for Optometry Gov Job? Enroll our course Gov Job Preparation and get access to subject-wise notes, MCQs, previous year MCQs, mock tests, common group chat and more just in 1249 rupees for 1 year.
Question 4. In Vision 2020, which of the following is not a strategy or activity? Option A. Cataract. Option B. Glaucoma. Option C. Diabetic retinopathy. Option D. Ophthalmological science. The correct answer is D. Ophthalmological science. Explanation. Vision 2020 focuses on targeted disease control strategies for specific causes of blindness like cataract, refractive errors, and trachoma. Ophthalmological science represents the broad academic field rather than a specific intervention strategy within the initiative. Question 5. What year was the National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment launched? Option A. 1976. Option B. 1986. Option C. 1996. Option D. 2006. The correct answer is A. 1976. Explanation. The National Program for Control of Blindness was launched by the Government of India in 1976 as a 100% centrally sponsored scheme. It holds the distinction of being the first national program in the world specifically dedicated to blindness control. Question 6. Which of the following conditions is not associated with vitamin A deficiency? Option A. Nyctalopia. Option B. Xerophthalmia. Option C. Keratomalacia. Option D. Wernicke encephalopathy. The correct answer is D. Wernicke encephalopathy. Explanation. Wernicke encephalopathy is an acute neurological condition caused specifically by a deficiency in thiamine, vitamin B1, not vitamin A. Conversely, nyctalopia, night blindness, and xerophthalmia are classic ocular manifestations of vitamin A deficiency. Question 7. Which of the following conditions can be identified through pediatric vision screening? Option A. Amblyopia. Option B. Hearing loss. Option C. Dental cavities. Option D. Allergies. The correct answer is A. Amblyopia. Explanation: Pediatric vision screening is crucial for the early detection of amblyopia, or lazy eye, a neurodevelopmental disorder of vision. Early identification allows for timely interventions, such as occlusion therapy, which can permanently restore visual potential.
Preparing for optometry license exam? Enroll our course MCQs in optometry and get access to subjects-wise notes, MCQs, previous year MCQs, last-minute revision and common group chat and more in just 1849 rupees.
Question 8. What is the leading cause of preventable blindness in children? Option A. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Option B. Vitamin C deficiency. Option C. Vitamin D deficiency. Option D. Vitamin A deficiency. The correct answer is D. Vitamin A deficiency. Explanation: Vitamin A deficiency is recognized globally as the single most important cause of preventable childhood blindness. It leads to xerophthalmia, which can progress to corneal ulceration and irreversible necrosis, keratomalacia, if left untreated. Question 9. A premature baby weighing 1000 grams or less is most likely to suffer from: Option A. Cataract. Option B. Glaucoma. Option C. Retinopathy of prematurity. Option D. Retinal detachment. The correct answer is C. Retinopathy of prematurity. Explanation: Extremely low birth weight infants less than 1000 grams are at high risk for retinopathy of prematurity, a vasoproliferative disorder of the developing retina. Without timely screening and laser treatment, this condition can lead to total retinal detachment and permanent blindness. Question 10. Which of the following is the output indicator of National Program for Control of Blindness? Option A. Number of cataract surgeries leading to sight restoration. Option B. Decrease in the prevalence of blindness. Option C. Number of schoolchildren provided with glasses for refractive correction. Option D. Number of eye surgeons trained. The correct answer is A. Number of cataract surgeries leading to sight restoration. Explanation: The number of cataract surgeries performed is a primary output indicator for the NPCB, measuring the direct volume of service delivery. While prevalence reduction is an outcome, surgical volume tracks the immediate productivity of the program. Question 11. What is the main objective of the National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment? Option A. To provide financial support for eye surgeries. Option B. To promote eye care awareness in the general population. Option C. To reduce the prevalence of blindness and visual impairment. Option D. To establish eye care centers in rural areas. The correct answer is C. To reduce the prevalence of blindness and visual impairment. Explanation: The overarching objective of the National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment is to significantly reduce the prevalence of blindness and visual impairment in the population. This is achieved through developing eye care infrastructure, human resources, and comprehensive service delivery. Question 12. Changes seen in the conjunctiva in vitamin A deficiency. Option A. Actinic degeneration. Option B. Hyperplasia of goblet cells. Option C. Hyperkeratosis of the squamous epithelium. Option D. Stromal infiltration. The correct answer is C. Hyperkeratosis of the squamous epithelium. Explanation: Vitamin A is essential for maintaining epithelial integrity. Its deficiency leads to squamous metaplasia and the loss of mucus-secreting goblet cells. This results in hyperkeratosis of the conjunctival epithelium, clinically manifesting as dry, keratinized plaques known as Bitort's spots.